haven't nailed down one major component to Tony and Chelsea's remodel, and that's how to hang the 3 TVs in their living room. They may be huge sports fans, but they definitely don't want their space to look like a sports bar.
So we're doing 1 large one and then 2 smaller that are the same size.
Okay,
And
how big
mine,
is our
like-
large?
75.
75.
Can we,
75, okay. Yes, that's that right there.
where am I dropping this bad boy?
Maybe
Oh, right here?
here?
That's close
Does
enough.
that work? You want help?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even gonna pretend like I can reach.
All right, Christina, tell me if it's level from the back.
No, not even close. Lower your side. Lower your side.
Lower?
Right there.
It just doesn't, you sure?
Yes.
Okay, right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. How big are the other 2?
43.
43.
Yeah.
So the big one's the
so-
game you really want to watch, and the 2 littles are.
The main one is for my viewing, and the other one is for his viewing. So you still want it to be where we're both able to,
Yeah.
hold hands on the couch
I get it. Okay.
and be looking at the same area.
Now that I figure out how you guys want to watch it, I feel like the other 2 just go.
I think it's perfect.
We don't want the TVs to overwhelm the room, so if we hang them like we would hang framed photos, it'll feel more like an art installation than a giant wall of TVs. Stacking the small TVs to one side of the larger one will balance out the wall and make it more visually interesting. Okay, so we can make adjustments when the TVs come in, and we can adjust things a few inches, left or right, whatever you guys want to do. But do you like this basic layout?
I love it.
Yeah. I think the layout matches what we're looking for.
Okay, all right, perfect. We'll get the TVs ordered, and we'll get them installed, and that should be a little easier than putting the tape up.
Can you come and help me hang these TVs? Do you mind?
Absolutely not. All right, progress.
Yep,
Wow.
it's coming together.
Look at that.
I love the flooring, right?
Looking
Yeah.
really good.
It looks really good.
Kind of wild.
Wow.
I like it. It makes a statement. So I was thinking, do white quartz counter,
Perfect.
and then I brought some pulls, simple black mat. We can do all pulls, or we can do knobs.
I
too.
say all pulls, personally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've had some belt buckle incidents, so,
Oh, okay. Yes. All pulls it is.
all
Yes.
pulls.
Okay. All right, perfect. I'll get the countertop ordered, and then we should be good.
Awesome.
right.
Thank
Thank
you.
Chelsea and Tony's home is finally finished. I always love staging with James. There's nothing better than pulling it all together.
I love the cutting boards. And the more you use them, the better they look.
They look so pretty. Otherwise, I feel like backsplash can look a little plain unless you put something up.
Right, you have to break it up.
So this entertainment center actually worked out perfectly.
It did. I'm really impressed at how long it is because usually you can't find anything that long.
Right? I think they're gonna love this. Okay, you ready?
Yep,
Yes.
now's the time.
All right, welcome home.
Here we go. Oh
My
my.
God.
Let's go. Look at that.
That's the kind of reaction I like.
Oh.
This
my
is
God.
amazing.
So we turned this into a dining room. It used to be kind of a sitting area, but it just makes more sense with your beautiful sitting area that you can see from here now with those walls gone, that we create a nice dining room with a beautiful new fireplace.
It actually feels crazy this never was a dining room.
Right.
I'm speechless.
And the best part, your beautiful kitchen.
Wow. Look at that.
I can't even, from the peninsula, all the countertop space,
I can't believe we get to live in that house. It's just amazing.
I couldn't be happier. It was important to me to have not only a kitchen that felt open and where people could come up and grab a chair at a peninsula, but also to be able to actually cook and entertain and utilize the space. I love every detail of it.
With baseball season right around the corner here, I think our Oakland A's inspired kitchen is gonna be perfect. I think that green just ties in. It reminds me of them every time I see the kitchen.
The
really is.
farmhouse vibe was officially met.
Yes.
Thank
so Tony got the green.
How about that green there,
Yes,
huh?
you
Let's
got the
go.
green, but
But everything else was mine.
yes, everything else is modern farmhouse.
I love the
goodness.
backsplash the hardware. I mean, even these cabinets, the upper cabinets, the light oak, I mean, it's incredible.
And before you guys didn't have a lot of storage. Now not only do you have all this storage, but you have all the storage over here in the entertainment area, plus the bar.
I want to see this bar.
Yes.
Wow. Look at
I love the
cannot
open
believe
shelves.
I know.
The open shelves, it makes the area feel inviting, like
Right.
I want a cocktail right
Yes,
now.
right? There's so many different areas now. Like you guys have really cool areas to hang out. You have the dining area, you have the kitchen, you have the huge peninsula, you have this spot to watch TV, you have the bar area, and then that room over there is phenomenal, but we're gonna go to the bathroom first.
We live here, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I just can't even believe it. This does not look like the same bathroom.
No. So you guys had the vanity and you picked this beautiful flooring, and together with teamwork, we came up with this beautiful space. And I love the fact that we chose the white subway, but I feel like the simplicity looks so nice with the flooring. There's no competing. It just feels so light and bright in here.
We got lost doing this on our own. I mean, we demoed the space and we're like, we probably should have had a game plan.
Well, it's better that you guys found that out in here than found out in the kitchen.
Amen.
So it's a
Amen.
blessing. And I love the fact that we went with the white counters and the black pull handles. Like everything just pops perfectly. It just feels like such just a luxurious spa.
So grateful for your help. Thank you.
Okay, so the entertainment area. You guys are in for a treat.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Here you go.
Well, okay, my job here is done. This is it. I'm
Yep.
ready.
Do not sit on the couch
Show
and
me-
just make his.
Show me your spot. Oh, whoa, there we go. Yes, that's it.
Oh my god.
You look right at home.
I
We're
hear
done.
that.
This is amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Wonderful.
It looks so like
Wow.
warm and inviting, like just meant to entertain, which
it does.
I'm so excited to be doing.
Once again, it's crazy. We live here. This is our house.
This is our house.
And the entertainment center is just positioned perfectly down there. I feel like it would look a bit odd if there was nothing below. So I feel
Right.
like the whole layout just looks
Definitely,
honestly perfect.
definitely anchors the TVs.
Yes, good. And you look awfully comfy, but I do have a little surprise for you guys. Follow me for 1 second. I was able to pull a few strings, call in a few favors, and do something that I think they're really gonna love, especially Tony. Okay, just a little something.
Hey, Chelsea and Tony, Bob Melvin with the Oakland A's here.
How did this happen? How'd you do this?
I hear you guys are huge A's fans and maybe even designed your home with a little bit of green in it in the kitchen, I'm hearing.
How did you do that? That's awesome. I'm so surprised and speechless. Oakland A's manager and Hall of Famer talking to me in my green kitchen. I'm shocked. I can't believe this is happening right now.
Thanks for being such loyal fans. Go A's. Hope to see you soon.
I reached out to the Oakland A's organization and told them what big fans you guys are, and they were so gracious to do that for you guys.
That was really awesome. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I can't believe that. That's awesome. Yeah, go A's.
See? Well, the home is officially yours. It was such a pleasure working with you guys. It was so fun. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I love how it just matches both your guys' styles, and I hope you make so many amazing memories.
We're so grateful. Truly, truly, eternally grateful.
so welcome.
Thank you so much.